Hello, everyone. My name is Senator Marie Alvarado Gill, and as we observe Mental Health Awareness Month, I am honored to share with you an important initiative. The Assyrian Wellness Collaborative, in partnership with Stanislaus County Behavioral Health Recovery Services, Prevention and Early Intervention, is steadfast in its commitment to reducing the stigma of mental health and raising awareness of the significance of well-being in the Assyrian community. Their approach emphasizes cultural competency and sensitivity to guarantee access to care is available when needed. The hope is to identify these barriers and work together to create meaningful solutions to serve individuals who are at risk of serious mental health issues and their families as well. Thank you for your participation and willingness to make a positive difference in our community.
Carmen Morad. قبولم شنقتوكن الخا خرزة ديلانايا من Assyrian Wellness Collaborative al AGN TV. Udiu ami ila taiberentit Kojier Senior Living Turlak. Akbadaitun gumdita Turlak itlan raba nashe neumtan marshinne avahatan khwardqnan kumat qarakhlun azizanina. طايلة الخادانة قد اتلون سنيقياته واخنا بأرخد Assyrian Wellness Collaborative بيخ ما يخ كما مطانياته نسبة الأوديو قد إيفاقيو Kojier Senior Living Center. Thank you, Jacqueline Hernandez, for joining me today.
Thank you for having us.
I would like to thank you as the Executive Director of Kojier Senior Living here in Turlock. And thank you for giving us the opportunity. I know we are hearing all kinds of noises because this is where the seniors are. Please introduce yourself to our viewers and tell us a little bit about this wonderful place.
Yeah, so I'm Jacqueline Hernandez. I'm the Executive Director of Kojier Senior Living here in Turlock. I've been in the industry for over 13 years. And Kojier has over 100 communities here in the United States. We started back in 1995 in Quebec, and in 2022 they came to the United States. They partnered with Cadence Senior Living, and that's where Kojier was born. So yeah.
We always talk about with the Assyrian community about the importance of quality of life when it comes to our seniors. We love, in our culture, we want to take care of our seniors as long as we can give them the kind of care that they deserve. But there comes a time that they require more care, more, I want to say 24/7 care. But tell us about some of the services that you offer here.
Of course. So here in Turlock, we have assisted living and memory care. We have caregivers 24/7, med techs 24/7. Our caregivers are able to help a resident with bathing, toileting, dressing, transferring if they need assistance from their wheelchair to the bed. We serve 3 meals a day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, snacks in between, restaurant style. We have activities during the day. So I know earlier you were able to witness our performer Chemo here, and our residents love music. It's a big part of their life. Right now we have residents playing cards, so there's activities just available for them to do.
Jacqueline, thank you for sharing that with us. Yes, we were here when there was dancing and music, and how wonderful for cognitive development of our seniors. But we also pay attention to mental health, anxiety, depression, or maybe isolation. And there are things that come with getting older. We're all getting there. We're on our way as well. But tell us about the kind of specialty care that you said that you have for memory care, and some of the precautions that you take for behavioral health, emotional health for your clients.
Of course. So a big part of moving into a senior living community like Kojier would be the socialization. That's where maybe they're coming from home, living alone, being able to come in and just being a community with their neighbors. they're big neighborhoods here. They call each other their neighbors. They're able to participate in even just the dining experience together so that they're not being isolated. They're together and are able to mingle with one another. And that socialization aspect is a big part in their daily activities here.
You know, I was speaking to one of the clients, the gentleman, Bob, that we'll hear from, and he was telling me that he used to get kind of bored at home where, you know, we all have our work and our school. As much as we love to keep our seniors at home, but we leave in the morning, we come back in the afternoon. In those few hours where our seniors are left alone, they're not socializing, they're not engaging, and unfortunately that tends to lead to more isolation. So thank you for sharing that with us. That's one of the things that we concentrate on. Definitely. To make sure that culture plays a role in their emotional health as well.
Exactly,
so thank you again for being here.
Thank you.
We really enjoyed the dance group that you had here, and we had a conversation about, wouldn't it be nice, since you have Assyrian clients here, to have an Assyrian culture day?
Oh, that'd be amazing. Yeah. I think just bringing in, like you said, the kids dancing or the foods or the bakeries that you guys are used to, I think it would just bring back so much memories, not only for our residents that are Assyrian, but for others that have traveled the world and seen this part of the world.
Absolutely. And food brings people together.
Yes.
Dancing, culture, and the more that we interact and you know, provide cultural competency. So more is shared between different cultures, between clients that share this lovely space together. And we've met some of actual your associates here. What a open, fun, warm place to live. So I'm very impressed.
Thank you.
And we'll be hearing more about the services. In closing, what would you like to share with our viewers of people who are considering perhaps looking into some assisted senior living for their loved ones?
Of course. So I encourage everybody to go out, do your research, visit communities, join in an activity, join in during lunchtime. Just come in and actually see for yourself. A lot of people have that mentality that a senior living community is like a skilled nursing, and we're definitely not like that. We're honestly a cruise ship on land. Yeah, so please come to Cogir and Turlock. We're more than happy to show you around.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Jacqueline.
Thank you for having us.
Stay tuned and we'll hear more from some staff and directors and a client at Cogir Senior Living. Stay with us.
السلام عليكم دومتي سويول أنا إبن جاندة تانوس ودي بتاعي بتفتحون كمتخت كما دقيقة بلكي أسرع دقيقة إن بخالب من شاكرتا بتاعي بتفتحون سبب إبن خدوك تاكت أبهاتن مرشنة كت لما صخ مخلون بيتا بتسببت ين مرينا ين شاتونيات إتلون ين دانا لتن كلبت بالخانة لا أبهات بياشنا بيتا نوشة إتانا إيبن خدوكتت كت أخوني سويول لخا بخايلة البتا أمي إلى خاتي مغبتا سوزي سرهد قد إلى خامن دبرانت دا هدوكتا شمي دا هدوكتا إلى كوجير of Turlock assisted living هبدأ أنا إتلون memory care as well أنا تفكري بسوزي البته من سوريتو بدايون البيشن من كم عادية شباب خفامو يدالو أنا تفكري بيو إدان طاوين وخدوك تبوت أخوني رابع بغداين سوزي جانباين قبل نخشينا شينا تيتدال دا أخورزد ديان Assyrian Wellness Collaborative إحنا أخورزة بايوخ كد كل من أمتن جشكي كد كما شابرت دوكتلك أباهاتن مرشنة كد هرت خدمري كلبت بالخانة لا ين خامن أباهاتن من يوخلي برزوجة دانا لتلا ين دانا لتلون أباهاتن خاميلون خدوكتلا رابغ ديتا سبب كما داكيك بوشلدتي لن غزيلا كل بزمارة بركادة بخالة بشتا أنا actually مويتون كتابك ديش اللي شان أطوراي اللي شاديا كتابك ديشت قد لخا إتلون أمرا إن برسوبت قد باي أتي لخا كماسي كتابك ديش لشانديا ين كتابة مزمورة لشانديا أنا مويتون كتابة مزمورة قد لشانديا إلي هلبتا خماتي على من يختو لشاند أرسنايك كارياوا أيضا غدتت لشاند أرسناي لكد رابا بغداين أمرا إتن
سبب شبتها يس
السبب ملت ديان لبتلا اخرني بخمنانه لبتلا كدازي امرا صالي سلوتا سو خادوك تلكت اذا خابر سوبا من جيب دياتب نوشي بيتا كل كلبت بخشلة بالخانة لنا بدا مودي لبي بخلاصله لبي بكيادله بخينا نوشايتا بقراشنا إنا أدوكتا من دوز إلى خادوكتا مغمنا على يولك دي أدي باين من بكران أزستي كم صد كما خبرانة تيد بود كوجير قد لخا كما دانا بالخانت
أنا هذه فايلة 15 سنة بالخانة كوجير تورلوك رابا خديتن جواها دويكا رابا شابرتا رابا تمز رابا خوبة إتلان جواها دويكا كذنتن كد بدي وقت جواها Seriously, family girta ibach, from managers to caregivers to residents, vayach raba kilpatal uidale. So lera chaduke tani tun bchshautun bet save no lera bet save kilpat ibach.
Yes.
Raba chidia vaina lacha etlan chalta shteta activities etlan Bible study that chage geschäfte beteina and umrane chine beteina. So lela bi cha nationality kula nasha kemsi azi Bible study. I mean, that iten lacha isra basate. Madden residents ina kid petet dian chamuyech like kid petet ganan. It's a beautiful place. It's a very amazing. Taran antichina tmenya hetmenya. Kid pet kamsi ati visit isra basate taran antichina kamsi tun perditun ima bayitun.
Yes.
But yeah, Rabba Shaper tadukeda. أتيتون visit أوديتون خديتن لا خبيتن أنا.
ويد باسم تازسي على مغديلة أنا جاني را مغديتن سبب أويمت أخوني خجزة بنيتت أكلت فالي متيلا لخا كدير زيلي رابا بشرا مغديلي ديلي كد أخوني بتايل خادوكتت كد مغبيتها بتويا هالبتا كل مارشنة كد لخا إينا دانا اتن كاتي كد exercise أودي زمري رقدي أخلي شاتي أبيلون خادوستوي تاموي دالن هيج لخش فينتون كد خاناشا ياتبيتها لبو خالص لخا لبا خلاصة لتن
No.
أي أنا نكتله أخوبت كد أنا غزيلي جوستاف لخا من director من the nurses من caregivers من palache you have that beautiful smile on your face which really I was attracted to that and I appreciate all your help and assistance specifically for my brother and I am extremely elated to be here. I love this place and my brother loves this place and I'm very pleased and at ease. My mind is at ease. I know he's in good hands.
100%.
Whereas at home, we had some difficulty. We had lost some members of my family. It was a sad place, sad situation, but I'm very, very happy to hear that. And specifically to know that Susie is here and there are other Assyrian-speaking staff that you have. This is a family. I feel that this is an extended family, and I love this place. I appreciate from the director, the caregivers, the nurse, the beautician, and all the care that you give to my brother. He's very happy, and that's what makes us happy.
Yep, at the end of the day, end of each meeting that we have once a month, at the end of each meeting that we do have, we always say we are family with the residents and with our workers. So we are one. Eva beta da kilpetitlan.
اترا باسم تا سوزي جان قدانت قد يمتيلخ مدري مارن اويد باسم تا قد خوب اتلخ ناشا من ترى وارا لكم تشولي قد يغبت فاكر بديخ او جيخ شابيرا قد ينهيورل كناشا مغدويد قد بداير لخدان خامن هدامت كلبت بتاينا لخا هجانا لها بينوشه راوا بغداين قد تبكلي بيوخون Abitum Basime, again, at the end, I like to take this opportunity to thank every single person that works here, from the administration all the way to staff members. You make the difference in every family, and I appreciate that. Thank you, and God bless all of you. I appreciate
Thank you
that.
for having us. Thank you.
شامل کشکان مغربی مدران جانده تانو سیون Ministerian Wellness Collaborative باید همزمان من خواهم تاکد ایمت اخونی مایون ولی خط فکری بیو. I would like to welcome you, Miss Lucy, and you're the director of the marketing. And I would like to welcome you to the Assyrian Wellness Collaborative program.
Thank you.
I really fell in love with this place. When I first walked in, I saw Susie, and then she introduced me to you. Can you tell me a little bit about our first meeting? How did that go? Go ahead.
Definitely. It was such a pleasure to meet you. I think I have one of the best jobs around here to do sales and marketing for my families, for the families around here.
Wonderful.
We welcome everybody here. We want to make sure that everybody that comes through those doors feels welcome, feels at home, because that's the way that our residents should feel once they're here with us. They should feel like they are at home and that we are taking care of them and they are in a great place.
Wonderful. Can you tell me what this place offers for the residents?
Definitely.
Please.
It offers a great style of life. That is what we market, and that is what I want to show my residents and their families, that is what we sell per se. It's a better quality of life. They're here, they make friends, they're social, they get to do a lot of activities throughout the days. They're not alone. There is no way that you can get bored around here. So you just make friends, you build those relationships with other residents, you build relationships with the staff members that are actually serving you and giving the best for our residents.
Sure. The most important part of my brother being here, at first he was kind of hesitant to come in because he wasn't aware of anybody else being here and that spoke Assyrian other than Susie. I saw a couple of other of your staff that they were Assyrians, but I fell in love with the family environment that I saw in here. And I think that was very important for me, to recognize and realize that my brother is coming from as I said, we lost two brothers and sister, sad situation at home, and he came here. It was extremely welcomed, and the fact that you have all these activities that are going on, the games, the plays, going out shopping, going out walking, personal care, bathing and the manicure, the hairdresser, the pedicure. I saw that. I thought this is wonderful.
Shopping.
It's just shopping. It's just like a home away from home, but yet it's like a resort. It's a resort somewhere in Turlock. And it's wonderful to see that, because that makes your residents feel comfortable.
Yes.
And most importantly, that all your staff, from maintenance to the dietitian, the cafeteria, the staff, it's a wonderful feeling to be here. And the most important part is everyone knows everyone. No one feels that they are isolated. And that I really appreciate, and I really love to see everyone smiling. That makes a difference in someone's life. So I do appreciate that.
Thank you. And just like we made you feel welcome,
yes,
with our Assyrian staff and residents and everything, we also make other cultures feel welcome here.
Please.
Like our Spanish and our Hispanic community, you know, yo hablo español y aquí estoy para servirles y para ayudarles.
Excellent.
So definitely, we don't just serve, we try to serve everybody and make them feel at home, make them feel welcome. We have a lot of staff that speaks English, Spanish, Syrian. We're just here to make you feel at home.
Wonderful. You can give us your address and your information, the telephone number, and in English as well as in Spanish.
Definitely. So please call us at 209-664-9500. And our address is 3791 Crowell Road. That's in Turlock, California, 95382.
You can say that in Spanish too?
Sí, claro. Nuestro número de teléfono es el 209-664-9500 y nuestra dirección es 3791 Crowell Road. Crowell es C-R-O-W-E-L-L Road. Y estamos en Turlock, California para servirles.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate the fact that you gave us some time. We spoke, and again, from the bottom of my heart, I do appreciate all your kindness, everything that I see you do for not only my brother, for all your residents. Thank you for your service, and God bless you. I do appreciate it.
Thank you for
Thank you.
being
أبيتم
here.
بسيم رابا كمشمتو.
بسيم رابا قد دانت مطيلة خن منن قدا خرزة رابا أنقايا نسبة أوهاتن مرشنن جان أويد رابا بسمتا قد مريزالق أتبقتا أنقيت لا قد كلن يطخ قد ليلة أيبا إن إتلن سنيقويتا إن جرق يلبق بجرابا داخي ماطق مرشنن ادي اواهن اوي شواون اوي خالوا انت لمن شخ الخدانم طايله قد ان عزيزا اتلنسنيقويتا بجرابا من ديت اخنن كم سخ ممتخلقاتل
رابا دوس
جانت شميلو خون جانت همزومه و من عزيزتن خاتن سوزي انا نقيت لقد يطخ برسوب قد بيتاينا لخا لنا نوشه تخمنون ادان مرشن نوشه پیاشنک ما تخمنیات تخموننا الاد لاود جربي بنبلي بيتا اینا لخا ادخا سنيقويات بدمايلا لتن سبب همش ادخانا شقد إلى منه
دوزيلا
جانت اوید رابا بسم تقد مريزالخ اتبقتا اوديو همونون قشقانا مغبة شمانا مغبة بشكل نهار سبب الخدانم طايلة كلن شنن بسياقنا أولول كلن بدعويلن سنيقويتا وأخنن بأرخد Syrian Wellness Collaborative جاروب أو خيرانه اتن پرسو بقد لنا بخاگو ترلاك إنا نيشه إلي جوجي لخا سبب أغبغزايتون أخسوزي اتلن دبرانت ادخل فاسيلتيز شابيره قراها تويتا قد بن امتن لاوي نوشه شامل اللي شاند جانه اویلون بایبل ستادیز همزوم اخوة اوديو خايوم بايق ودخل اخش يومد آتراي لخا رقدة شوارة مخوليات ديان قد بن امتن لبلا خالص قد يطي اتن برسوبة قد مسو من بالاله ميقولت جاند يخو تاما مودي اطلق قد باید بنوم تن يطي باز آشولا جبارة قد آد و تدقى أخونك كماد جوي دقيقة هو يرتد عادية دا كديم لخت
ويرى بسمت كارمن جان هلبتا جش كانوا مغبة خجل شاتونياتي أنا ويلالي جو كالبتن تراخون ماتيمون يخلون خاتيمون يخلا خرطا خوني جوراتي لمنن خيه كما دانا ويلالي كما سيانبا ماتيانبا آلو نخدانم تايلا هرت خد أتبكر لغازستي ين برزوغن ين مرشنن كت آوي احنا ليه ماسا كالا بيت اسير باسة يوما سبالات لابد جربي نبلي ين بخاري تابيلا ين شا تابيلا جاس خا اكسيدنت ويا جوبيتا إن لخا كما تخمنن رابا خيالان راحت ويرون كد جانو در رابا سودو تيلن لخا مويلن هلبتا سوزي ويا رابا بسمتا كد سوزي خامو دايوخ گر بيشنه اینو آمدی آنکای لکت خیال دیان رابا راحتینا ادوکته ایله خامخ کلپت extended family كل بخوب شلامة جيخك جبهته كل قويدال بداينا شوف بكراينا بالشمك معي جانت كارمن سوزي يعني همزومخ درمانان والدانا يابي خيبته جلمسته مخلته لبلته شوبينج دانا متته مني يعني اتلون بريش طالياتي يعني اكسرسايز خادكت من دوز شمية كأباهاتها من جيب ديت في بيتها تخمني نوشة هيك نشلتن لبي بخلاصة لبخينا ناراهاتينا إن لخا أسان دانت يفتها نوشلتن سبب كل ريشة بليجلي بخاشولا مخلطة رابا سبايلا أنا تشيك يودن كد مو بخالنا طالياتي اتلون كلابليلون شوبينج إن الرابا 100% كماتي خيانة لخا إتا على برخاني اللي كد قدام دي تشابرت دي ان تورلاك اتخمديانة اتن إن أمنيت كد أنا بطلابن على بارخلون بحلاخت لخا كد من كل اللي بيب الخاننا إذا ترى إنتن برسوبة جمديات خينة بخايتون يسنجن نيويورك بخايتون جو فيلادلفيا إيتون يعني جو سان هوزي سان فرانسيسكو بايتون أتيتون لخا قد أبهاتوخون أتي رابا شابرتا دكتلا هلبتا اتلون إجازة من حكمة لايسنس كل مديانة بروفيشنال زينا لخا إن رابا تمس رابا شابرتا ليلة نيرسينج هوم إلى assisted living خشون عدي أبهات اتلوخون مرشن اتلوخون جبيتا من جيبت بنوخون خيي بتاينا لخا قداك هجير افتورلاك بخاينا سو خيالوخون رابا راحت أبي خيوتا خطة خيوتا شارتا خطة يو خيوتا البته يطورلاك در بدايتون اخلان كما البي ب اربي خمشي البي اطرايت لي يطورلاك اجا سرا امرانت لن لخا نقاشت لن قاش اطراي كد كاتي لخا فيزيت وديلون خيانت لخا بريشيت انا كم سنتين قاشا تشارلز على بارخلي تشارلز بارناباس كما قتي لخا تبيك لباخوني مران خينين يخوتا ما عنده بينتين من دوز على برخاني ل يخا اطرا بخايخ كد اتخمدياني اتن كديا بريشايت كأبهاتن قد نتاينا الأبهاتن بكل سنيقوياته ويد رابا باسمته كارمن جان قد أداناش متالخ تيلغ لخا أنا بخشامن أخورز رابا شابيرة بدا بسبب إتلن رابا برسوب مرشن قد سنيقت اتخدو كنان إينا قد ناراهاتوي تلايقو كلبت زحمت لايق جيهلي قد جري آزي بالخانة ين مدرسة لتلون دانا ماضي الأبهاته إتا على برخاني اللي كد اتخدوكتانا متشخلي كأخوني كبرسوب خيني خلت على برشابات روايب دابيلا لخا أبيتون راه بسيمه كماش بتوخون
باسم ترابا جانت البت باين متخرن قيش قانا مغبة قدنك معشن الدور قد اخنا خرز فيدخ بأرخد Assyrian Wellness Collaborative دنان منتن من AGN أخا partner قا مزيت يولبانا قا ميت مطانويات قبن أمتن قدنك مع خرز رابا شميق من أسيه بن أمتن بلي شانجانا هم زمنا قمتت كل بيان ماضيان ان اتلوخون بقارة قمتت كل من أسيد جانوخون همزميتون
البته
قمتت كل من دكتور جانوخون أسي جانوخون همزميتون بقريتون شقليتون مطانيات إدان خرطة أخرا بأرخد collaborative بأرخد Stanislaus County in أمسغا وخيرانة إن بايتون بجرابة باز كوجير ترلا قيطيتون كمسيتون مخبريتون قرمي قرطة سوزي سرهد أغبدايتون لخا إتن رابا activity بشمايتون تقالي مغزوي لقد لخا ادمجد رابا إتن engagement يوال تشغلتا جخو تاما طنان منتن من كله خون قمش متوخون إنا لا منشيتون قد ليلة أيباش قلتت هيارتا كلن سنيقويات إتلن وكلن سنيقويتن إلى هيارتا شقلتا بشقالنا برسة طنان منتن من كلوخون قد شركتون لخا وخزخ لوخون جو خرز بريشة بوشون أمان